Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all the viewers. Today is Friday and I am making breakfast for my family. Some of my friends and viewers asked me to show them making of paratha. So here I am making this video for them. First of all, you will make a ball with the dough. This dough is made up of simple wheat flour and water. Some people also add little salt in the dough, but today I am showing you the paratha of the dough without salt. So first of all, make a ball and roll it with the help of this roll pin like this. Keep on adding little dry flour also so that it becomes easier to spread it out. Spread it a little like this. Now add oil or ghee, whatever you want. My husband is health conscious and he always wants his paratha with the olive oil. But if you make it with ghee, it's more crispier and good in texture. Now sprinkle some dry flour over the oil and then fold it like this. There are many ways of folding paratha. I'll show you more, but today you can see this. Now roll it again like this and then give it a nice shape of a round peda like this. We call it peda. And then leave it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets settled down. I've already made one peda and now I will show you how you will spread it. Just roll it a little and don't give much pressure on it while spreading it, otherwise you will not get proper layers. Then put it on the tawa, the pan, the straight pan I am using today. Put a little oil on tawa and then keep on changing its side so that it gets a golden color evenly on all the sides. Now you can see a very nice golden color is coming. So the paratha is almost ready. It's almost done on one side, and now I am moving it and changing its sides. The other side is still not cooked properly, so we'll cook it a more. And be careful about the flame should not be very high, otherwise it will burn. And flame should also be very medium. Cook it on medium flame. So this is how you will make paratha. On this side it needs a little more cooking. Now it's almost done. So this paratha is ready. My family likes parathas with omelette and pickles. So this paratha is ready. This is all for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.